Hey guys, what's going on? So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this easy Origami Millennium Falcon. And yeah, it looks really nice. And I'm going to show you how to fold it. Alright, ready, set, here goes. Alright, so for this model, I'm going to use a 6-inch square of kami. But you can use a sheet of printer paper cut square. So let's begin right side up, and let's fold in half. Try to make very precise folds. And crease sharp. Unfold and fold in half this way. We're gonna make a fish base, so if you know how to make a fish base, then you can skip to this point. Okay, unfold and fold this edge to the crease. And you can just fold to that crease right there. You don't need to fold all the way across. Okay, and now same on this side. Fold to the crease and you can just fold from this crease right here to the end. Like that. Alright, now make those two folds at the same time like this. And you can just let this flap right here stick up. Alright, and now let's repeat on this side. Fold to the crease like this. And just fold to this fold. Like that. And repeat on this side. Okay, and now make the fold like this, and then now bring everything down like that. Alright, and that's what it looks like. Okay, and now we're going to rotate the model like this, and we're going to fold this up as far as it goes, and you want this edge to align with this middle line, and you just want to make a crease mark right here, like that. Okay, and now take these 2 points, hold them both like this, and fold them to that crease mark. Just like that. Okay, and now we're going to take this edge right here, and we're going to fold it up so that this edge is parallel with the middle, and you want this point to touch this edge right here. It doesn't need to be perfect, just eyeball it, do the best you can. Like that, and repeat on this side. Okay, that's what it looks like. Okay, and now we're going to take this and we're going to fold it up right on this point right here. And you want to fold it up so that the fold, this is actually kind of to taste. So there's not really a guide mark, but you can just fold it maybe so that the fold, this point right here, touches that point. And you want to make sure that this point is beyond that flap. Just like this. Okay? And then now take this part and fold it up just a little bit. This is also to taste. This is just what makes the lock a little bit better. Okay, like this. And now take this part, let's open this pocket right here, and let's tuck it in. Like that. And that's the lock. It doesn't need to be a real strong lock. This is the bottom of the model, so yeah, that's not the visible side. Okay. And now we're going to take this and we're going to fold it up as far as it goes, like that, and repeat on this side. Okay? And then now take this part and fold it down. This is also a fold to taste. So maybe about like that. It doesn't matter how much. About half a centimeter is good. Alright? And then repeat on this side. And you can match what you did right here. Okay, like that. And now let's make these 2 points right here not as pointy. So yeah, we can go and make a fold. Just fold on that point. Like this. And then unfold it. Open it, and reverse fold. Like that. You could just go ahead and make the reverse fold. You didn't really have to make that crease. And repeat on this side. And I'm just going to go ahead and make this crease right here. See? Just like this. Okay. And now we're gonna take this edge and we're gonna fold it to that edge right there. Zoom in so you can see this a little bit better. Okay. Like this. This is pretty small. Maybe I should have used 10-inch paper or something. Yeah, I'm sure you can see that fine. And just squash right there too. However it flattens, it's fine too. This is the underside of the model, so you can do pretty much what you want with this side. And repeat on this side. Fold to that edge somewhat, and then flatten it right there. Squash right there. Like that. So there it is. And if you like it like this, then you're done, but if you want it a little bit more round, then I'm sure you know what to do. Just fold these corners into taste. So I'm going to start right here with this bulky one. This, and just fold them all the way around. Okay, just like that. And voila, here it is, our Millennium Falcon. And yeah, it's pretty cool how it's so easy to fold. And yeah, and that's pretty much it. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed folding that. Hope you're able to fold it. And make sure you subscribe and let me know what you think. Alright, see you guys later.